कैसे हो आप सब? Hopefully you are well. I'm also fine. So today we will discuss about the access modified in the Java. So this is the very common or simple topic as per my understanding in the Java. So question is the what is access modifier, or even sometime interviewer ask or know about the access modifier, So you should aware what the exactly. One second. You should aware ki what is the access modifier. So why and we use for access modifier. Access modifier help to restrict the scope of the class, constructor, variable, method, data member. It's provide the security, accessibility, ACT to the user depending upon the access modifier used with the element. Like we are providing, let's suppose you have declared method, like example, sorry, class class test, and what you did, you create one method public public void so, right? Right, so what is the, it is you are providing the access modifier, right? It is the access modifier. This is the access modifier. You are providing the accessibility or restriction to this method. If you are providing private, so it will work in that manner. If you will not providing anything, so it will work like default. So in this we will discuss. Okay, let's move ahead. Type of access modifier, there are four type of access modifier. Default access modifier, no keyword is required for that. Private access modified, uh, private we use the private keyword. Protected we use protected, and public we use public access modifier. Okay, let's move one by one. Default access modifier, the data member, class or data or method that are not declared using any access modifier. Having default access modifier are accessible only within the package. Keep in mind, a default access modifier will be accessible within the classes. Let's see why, how the way it's working. Let's suppose if I give you an example. Now test class test, or do you provide like provide void test? Whatever you have thought out dot println. Right, so what you want, if you want to use this one class package, like let's suppose this under the package, uh, package like package 1 package test colon, or what you will, let's suppose program 1, program 2, you want to use class test 2 public static void main. String fine, what you want to use that method like test. Okay. We sorry, test test a equal to new what we will do, test A. So then A dot, what it is, test A. Let's see, this is the program 1. Yeah, see, this one I have written one program package. This one I have written one program. This is simple. What I did, I have declared one access modifier and class and method, and this one. Program 2, I have create one package and import the above, and what it will output it compile time error. कंपाइलेशन एरर थ्रो करेगा बिकॉज डिफ़ॉल्ट एक्सेस में है हम दूसरे प्रोग्राम में इफ़ वी आर एक्सेसिंग अब method from the package 1 package test, but it is not possible because we have read earlier having the default access modifier accessible only within the same package. Okay, it is the simple example. If you can see this one, package test class test void test A and system.out.println test, it is the access modifier. If you will write anything or you will add on anything in with this same package, so like let's suppose I will give you one example. I will take this one, not this one, and we just add on. Oh, just nothing. I just did what key class class main class बना देती हूँ एंड पब्लिक स्टैटिक वॉइड मेन. अब यहाँ पे पब्लिक स्टैटिक वॉइड पब्लिक स्टैटिक void main, मान लो I'm just taking one example, and string arg. What we are doing, we are calling the same method with the class like test a equal to new test, and we use the same thing. It will not give any error. A dot test a, it will working in the same proper manner without any compilation. Test, fine. So in this manner, come to the private is, I hope you understand well. Private access modifier, private is using the, all to remember you can see private using with the keyword private. The matter or data member declared as a private and accessible only within the class in which they are declared. Like method or data member declared as a private are accessible all the within the class they are declared. Only it is accessible within the class. Let's what will happen there. Let's suppose I will take one example. Class test yes yes. So I have declared right. Now what is saying, it is saying key class, then we provide the private. Private void test and system.println, it will accessible within the class. Like let's suppose if I remove this one cursor, and whatever I will use whenever I will use this method or data members is what like we provide the variables or methods whatever we declare with the private, so it will accessible there. Okay, got it my point? Okay, got it my point? So it will accessible within the class whatever we will declare any logic, so you can access within the class this one methods within the class. Let's see, any other class of same package, any other class of same package will not be able to access these members. Absolutely, within the class we can access only. Top level classes or interface cannot be declared private. Like interface or classes, top level classes like main classes where we will declare main method, so we can't access the private word, we can't declare as a private. Classes or interface cannot be accessed. Let's suppose I will give you one example for this. This one program is the best one for you. Copy, and this one is the what, sorry, this you can see here, this one is what we can't declare this one class as a this one method as a private, or whatever you will, let's suppose you are using any method, anything else, so we can't use that like that, because it will stuck there, na? You can't use any kind of things there in the main class or interface. We can't use any private. Okay, got it my point? Private means only visible within the enclosing classes. Private means only visible within the only classes. Protect means only visible within the enclosing class and any subclass. Protected means only visible within the enclosing class and any subclass. Yeah, come to the protected. The member or data member declare as a protected as accessible within the same package or subclass in different package. It will accessible within the same package or subclass in different package. Subclass in different package we will discuss. Let's come with the, see, protected is the accessible within the same package and subclass in different package. Subclass in different package is what? Let's suppose we have a packages, package p1 class test. We will provide the public void test void test and go fine. Let's suppose this is the program 1. And we create the, यहाँ पे हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं what we are doing extend test, and we will create the method for that stat stat a academy equal to new stat, and we will call academy dot test. Yes guys, it will work properly. Let's see how it will work. You understand what I did? I have provided this one is a public void test, and sorry, give me a moment. Protected, yes, protected this one. Then it will work and will print the hello. Output will be hello. Yeah, see what I did? I will provide the private class, public class, because it will accessible different packages, right? And we provide the protected method. Protected method will accessible within the same package, or subclass in the different package. Subclass in the different package. Okay. Hi, good morning. Come to the public. Public accessible modifier has the widest scope all other among modifier. Class, method, data member that are declared as a public are accessible from the anywhere in the program. There are no restriction scope of the public data members. Like we can access anywhere. We can accessible from one package to another package, or once package is imported in another package. Once package is imported in another package, and no, we can access in the whole code. Like you have a 1,000 line of code, 2,000 line of code, we can accessible private public access modifier. Let's see one example. It's not but we have the wait, I mean string here. We can call this object, but we can call this object above object. Like class is what I have created, like class test 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 a that to a new that equal to new test, and that dot what we are calling method. So yes, it will work properly. It will print output. It will print out hello. Okay, fine, thank you, bye bye guys. This is a very simple example I will provide you. Don't think if I am giving very simple example, you can use this keyword and in your program, in your code, and understand well. I hope I have explained very well, and you will get a good understanding, good grasp in the access modifier. We will meet you again, and thank you so much for watching my video. And I just one request to you, please subscribe the Stat Academy. Add me, like and share and subscribe.